हेलो मेरे पढ़ाकू बच्चों, हम आ गए हैं 3D के पार्ट नंबर 6 पर और इसमें हम पढ़ रहे हैं आज प्लेन पासिंग थ्रू द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ टू गिवन प्लेन्स. फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव these two planes intersecting at point this. Suppose T is any arbitrary point. Plane number first is pi 1 and second is pi 2, and let the third plane passing through the intersection is pi 3. Pi 1 is r dot n1 equals to d1. Let pi 2 is plane 2, r dot n2 equals to d2. We suppose that any point, arbitrary point t on this common line, then this t arbitrary point will satisfy these two planes. So this will become t dot n1 equals to d1 and t dot n2 equals to d2. Or what we can say, for any value of lambda n1 plus lambda n2 equals to d1 plus lambda times d2. But since t is arbitrary, we can say that it will be r dot n1 plus lambda n2 equals to d1 plus lambda d2. This will be the equation of the third plane, that is pi 3. If it is in Cartesian form, then suppose the first plane, say a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0, and second plane, by the way, a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2. Suppose this plane is first pi 1, then the third plane is, this is the equation of pi 3. Practically, we suppose that we have laptop. If you open this laptop like this, these are the two planes, plane number 1, plane number 2. We want to calculate the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of these two lines. This white plane we want to calculate, that is pi 3. This common point here, arbitrary point anywhere on this line joining, that is t. If t is satisfying these two, it means t must satisfy the third plane also. Correct? So, here the equation pi 1 plus lambda times pi 2 equal to 0 is the equation of this dotted plane pi 3. Now, how to calculate lambda? They will give you a particular condition. What condition? Suppose this plane is passing through 2, 3, 7. It means for every x, y, z you have to put 2, 3, 7 and get the value of lambda. Again substitute the value lambda here, you will get the answer of the third plane. Sometimes they will say that this plane is perpendicular to particular line. One more condition. Sometimes they will say the plane is perpendicular to one another plane. So there are so many different conditions to calculate the value of lambda. So now we start one problem of your book. Say sum number 9. First is 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 intersecting with another plane x plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0 and passing through 2 to 1. Now this intersecting plane is this pi 3. Passing through 2 to 1, it means it will satisfy by 2 to 1. Substitute here 2, 2, 1 and again 2, 2, 1. What we are getting? 3 lambda, and here 6 minus 4, 2 equal to 0. So lambda is nothing but minus 2 by 3. If we substitute this value lambda here in equation number 1, you will get the required plane pi 3. So now we substitute here 3x minus y 2z minus 4 minus 2 by 3 as lambda, and x plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0. If you multiply the whole equation by 3, what we are getting? 9x 3y, 6z, minus 12, minus 2x, minus 2y, minus 2z, and plus 4. Now collect the same terms of first x. 7x, y, 5y, 6z, 4z, and numbers 12 and 4, 8 is the required plane, that is pi 3. This dotted plane. Simple. Sometimes they will give you equation in terms of vector form. Then first you can convert into Cartesian, and then now one more question. Question number 11th. Intersection of these two planes, but this time point is not given. This required plane is perpendicular to this plane. And you know, whenever two planes are perpendicular, from the vectors, the same formula, a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 equals to 0. So first we collect the coefficients of x. 1 plus 2 lambda, 1 plus 3 lambda, and 1 plus 4 lambda, then minus 1 and minus 5 lambda equal to 0. This is a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 equals to 0. So start with 1 plus 2 lambda into 1, 1 plus 3 lambda into minus 1, 1 plus 4 lambda into plus 1 equals to 0. If we open it, what we are getting? 1 plus 2 lambda, minus 1 minus 3 lambda, and 1 plus 4 lambda equals to 0. 4 and 3, 1, 1 and 2, 3 lambda. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel out, it is only 1. So lambda is nothing but minus 1 by 3. Now substitute this lambda minus 1 by 3 here in the required plane. What we are getting the final answer? See, lambda is minus 1 by 3. Put lambda minus 1 by 3. What we are getting? Simple calculation. Multiplying by 3 because 3 is LCM. 3x plus 3y plus 3z minus 3 minus 2x minus 3y minus 4z and plus 5. Correct. 3x and 2x, x, 3z and z, and number minus 3 and plus 5, 2 equals to 0 is the required plane. Now next point is the intercept form of the plane. Suppose a plane equation is given ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0, and it will cut the intercept on x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Suppose this coordinate is a 0 0, b and here c. करेक्ट. कभी अपन ने देखा होगा कि अगर ये स्पंज है और मैं इसको ऐसे कट कर दूं तो यहां पर क्या बनेगा? एक प्लेन सरफेस बन जाएगी. कभी करके देखिए. ये जो प्लेन सरफेस बनी, each and every coordinate will satisfy the given plane. So if we substitute a 0 0 here, then it will become a and 0 0 equals to minus d. So what is capital A? Minus d by a. The second point 0 b 0 will satisfy. Then what will get? b equals to minus d. So b equals to minus d by b. And similarly c equals to minus d by c. So substitute these values of capital A, B, C here in the given plane. What we are getting? ax. A means minus d by ax, minus d by b y, minus d by c z equals to minus d. And if we divide by minus d, what we are getting? X by a, y by b, z by c equals to 1. It is said to be intercept form of the plane. Same as class 11th, straight line. What is the straight line intercept form? See, x by a plus y by b equals to 1. So one variable, one axis is extra. आप बहुत अच्छे से याद रख सकते हैं इसको. क्वेश्चन कैसे बनते हैं इसके? 2x plus 3y plus 6z equals to 12 is given plane. Question is, find the intercepts of x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So simply, first we want one on right hand side. So divide the whole equation by 12. 12, 12 and 12. So x intercept, x by 6, y by 4, z by 2 is the intercept form. So what is x intercept? 6. What is y intercept? 4. What is z intercept? 2. Answer. And sometime reverse. They will give you the intercept. The length of intercept they will give you. What? Suppose they will give you intercepts are 2, 3 and 5. Find the equation of the plane. So simply put 2, 3 and 5 here. Answer is the required plane. Take the LCM and get the general form. So in this way we have completed one more important task of the plane, that is intercept form and intersection of the two planes. Then what will be the third plane passing through the line of intersection. Do some more problems from the reference books. Practice, practice and practice. Maths wants practice. जितनी ज़्यादा मेहनत करेंगे उतने ज़्यादा नंबर आएंगे. मेहनत करते रहिए, पढ़ते रहिए, बढ़ते रहिए. मिलते हैं अगला टॉपिक लेकर के फिर एक बार. तब तक वेट करिए, खुश रहिए, एंजॉय करिए.